I'm Charlotta from London Art Nanny, and this is the first ever art splash online, and I'm so happy that you're part of this journey. This is an art tutorial for kids, easy to follow step by step. And today we're gonna make a snowman. But before we get started, please check that you're wearing art-friendly clothes, because sometimes when we do art, we do tend to get a little bit messy, so we don't want to get stains on your favorite shirts. Okay, let's get creative! You will need paper, glue, cotton, white paint and a brush, glitter, card and decorations for the snowman. Draw 3 circles on the paper, 1 big, 1 medium and 1 small for the head. And don't worry too much about making exact round circles, because it will still look like a snowman. The background paper can be any color. You choose. Fill the 3 circles with glue.
Snow looks like clouds.
After you fill the circles with glue, cover the whole snowman in white fluffy cotton. When you've finished with the cotton, cut out a triangle for the nose and color it in with orange to make it look like a carrot. Cut out 2 sticks for the arms and glue on the arms and the nose to the snowman. It's looking great already! We made a horizontal line to divide the sky from the ground, the horizon. Then paint the ground white all the way up to the horizon. If you want, you can add glitter to the snow to get an extra frosty effect. Finally, decorate your snowman with buttons and eyes.
Finish.
Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!